Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Thank you very much for being with me again today. Well, no lawyer wants to help Donald Trump, it seems like, or not help, but at least provide their services, And we have Alan Dershowitz, a very well-known attorney, right, and a very known scholar, saying this in The Insider today, August 19, 2022. He says that every reputable attorney he's spoken with has told him their firms, and I'm quoting, won't let them go anywhere near Trump. And I'm quoting, "I'm not going near this with a 10-foot pole," Dershowitz says one lawyer told him recently about Trump. And I'm quoting again, "Trump should be worried about all these investigations," another lawyer told Insider. Alan Dershowitz, the lawyer who defended former President Trump in his second impeachment trial, told Insider that most reputable law firms aren't letting their attorneys go anywhere near Trump as his legal issues snowball. And I'm quoting, "All big firm lawyers have told me that their firms won't let them do it," end quote, Dershowitz said in an interview. And again, I'm quoting, "The firms won't let them go near any case involving Trump. These are firms that want to continue to have clients, and they know that if they represent Trump, they lose a lot of clients," end quote. I thought it was about... Anyway, I had it upside down, I guess. Dershowitz spoke from experience. After he represented Trump in his second Senate impeachment trial following the deadly January 6th, Dershowitz said he lost job opportunities and many of his speaking engagements. They did a job on this guy, even if he's part of a protected group, I'm guessing. A victim group. I'm quoting again, "Everybody who has called me has shown reluctance to do it," he said. They saw their law firms won't let them go. They say their law firms won't let them do it. Their husbands or wives won't let them do it. Their children won't let them do it. Their friends won't let them do it, even though they want to do it, end quote. Even though they want to do it. Is that weasel behavior? I think so. You want to do it, but you're afraid. We're all afraid. But anyway. Dershowitz said that since he represented Trump, at least 6 lawyers have asked him about what it was like working for the former president and if it affected his career. In one conversation, when Dershowitz told another attorney about his experience being blacklisted, he said the person responded, "I'm not going near this with a 10-foot pole," end quote. There are other reasons big-name lawyers are reluctant to represent the former president. And I'm quoting, "He likes to run the show, and as the old saying goes, if you represent yourself, you've got a fool for a client." Well, said one lawyer familiar with the Trump team's thought process. And I'm quoting again, "He's a big believer in the public relation assault, which I've never seen work. I don't see anybody with any experience it takes to represent a former president in a case like this. There's a lot at stake here," end quote. Trump is currently at the center of a number of state and federal criminal investigations. You're right. Well, the thing is, Trump is under investigation, and I think these attorneys are not, the law firms, I don't think they're really scared of the clients necessarily, because they are clients, and if you win, when I go somewhere to hire an attorney, I don't hire him because he's a Democrat or a Republican or whatever he might be. I'm going over there to win, to make sure that firm wins my case. So how do I get that? By looking at their record. That's how I go. I mean, you can go to a poor record attorney or law firm just because they are on your side politically, but you want that? You want to take a chance? It's your life, it's your money. So it's kind of like, I'm not gonna go to that doctor because that, let's say I have an injury and the only available doctor here or would be this guy. I'm not going over there because he's, I don't know, he's from the wrong party. Really, when it's about your health and all that, you're going to throw the party to the side in a second. Now, it's true that this is the client's view, but the firm's view, what is it? Imagine that that firm wins whatever is against Trump. Remember, what do you think is going to happen? Wow, those are good. Well, we don't like Trump, but look at that. He did that. That's the man. He swam against the whole current and he won. The thing is, I don't think it's the lawyers here. They don't want to touch that because of Trump and because of... But this is my interpretation from what I saw and how I think things work. It's not Trump, per se, being a... As they say, my God, he likes to run the show. Probably. The way I heard him, probably that's what it is. I mean, he's like that, and his team. That's the first one. The second one, I don't think is they're afraid to lose, clients, because you lose here, but you win. What do you think? Only these guys have money? Let's say I'm a Democrat lawyer. All right, if I take Trump, I'm going to lose some Democrats, but I'm going to win some Republicans. So it's not like they have the monopoly. That's another thing. What I think actually is at the core of this is the FBI being involved. At the the justice system seems to be using weaponizing, I would say, the law enforcement agency, FBI, and then the DOJ uses the FBI for more or less certain interests that should not be. By all means, if Trump is guilty of something and is proven, he should pay penalty, the same penalty as Hillary Clinton paid, or or anybody else who if you found guilty, or for instance the Clapper or whatever it was, the former CIA, other formers that they were not very truthful in Senate inquiries and all that. You can see on, you can still find the articles and videos when all these guys were asked, this particular former official, if they are spying on their records, the American citizens' information is stored anyone or anybody. No, it's not. No. Okay, yeah. So. By all means, if we are to be right and fair and just and get back certain things that just, in my opinion, just got in the show, by digging a hole underneath the fence or jumping over the fence, well, grab those too. And then if we are at it, then we should go and get some people who are responsible for certain military failures or illegal military actions and get them too. And so on. I mean, it's so much that we probably go back to who knows who. So yeah, it's true. People would not, certain lawyers want, but they're afraid. And that's exactly what a true system is made out of. It's not because it's well, let's find out what the hell happened here. You defend this guy, okay? No. It's political. Well, when justice becomes political, I don't know if there's justice anymore. Thank you very much for being with me again today. Stay strong, stay smart, look for the truth, and be just.